So there's a book called, and I think everyone, irrespective of the gender, it should be a school compulsory book. It's called An Invisible Woman. This book
I
was
have heard about it.
okay.
Yes.
This book was written by this data scientist. She was working in Intel, and I think she was just done with the stereotypes. So she went back, took all the stereotypes, and started putting out data behind it to give a rational output, like why does it happen.
Yes.
So she took one of it, which was one of the wars that happened. So like there are so many wars that have happened in the past, right?
Yeah.
But whenever I say war, you will always think of men fighting, right?
Yes.
So she went back. There were 10,000 skeletons that were discovered. She went back and took the pelvic size of 10,000 of them
Wow.
and went back to the researcher and said 37%, which is 3,700 of the warriors, were actually females. But
wow.
what happens, because the men were doing all these researches all the while,
So they always kept men in
though whenever they saw a weapon next to a skeleton, they assumed it's a
men's skeleton.
so they never went back to even check whether it was a female. Now the downward effect of it is that in any of the cinemas of the world, any of the cinemas, wherever the war has happened, any kind of war that is shown, you'll never see women fighting,
Of course.
right? Because it was never taught to us. In fact, one of the very first line of that book says, have you seen that diagram from chimpanzee? A man is coming out. What happened to the women?
That's true.
Like no one has ever questioned that. Hey, this is how male evolution has happened.
Yes.
But where was female evolution? Female evolution would have happened, right? They would be doing something.
Yes.
But
Indeed.
have we ever done the research on it? So that book is amazing. She has gone to the idea of, for example, there's this general argument of how women don't know how to drive. This comes across everywhere.